To the next session, offer. An offer, this is a place where you can host maybe an ebook or a course that you're selling. Come to the offer part of the page and the three dots and just go to I. So the next part would now be the contact page. So I will continue again with the same process of changing the image to the image that I would like to replace. So I'll go back to the same process of replacing the image. And yeah, voila, we have it. So I don't think I want that contact us there, so I just delete that. Then I'll go to the title. Let's have a chat. Then I go back to my doc and copy the information that I already. And there you go. Edited. So you just edit it, the same process. You edit it, you delete whatever you think you do not need. So I want to increase the font, so I replace it with over 20. I don't need the text underneath, so I will just delete. So the next part will be the fields. So where you have the name, the email, the phone number, the message, the form is submitted. So once people press on a submit form, what the next thing that's going to pop up for them? So I'm just going to write what I would like to pop down the page. I don't really need that page, so I just delete it. Adding anything again, so I just save this process. And so what's next would be to connect to a domain. So we're coming to the end of this process. After we've made all our edits, we want to give our website a name. So I will just put in my name. I want my website to carry my name. So just put that in. And also come here. And so something about GetResponse is that they already have a domain name that is free for anyone that wants to use it. And publish. Yeah, we're gonna publish. Let's see what comes up. Let's see what comes up. So excited. Let's see what comes up. Oh, now here we go. So it is published. Our website is active and live. So we're just going to, so there's so many things that you can do, and there are benefits of using GetResponse. One of the benefits is you can check your inbox. This is the backend website URL. That's your website URL. If you want to edit your website, you can go back to edit it. You can also check your performance and traffic to your website, the pages viewed, the visit, the unique visitors, the forms popped up, the traffic over time, the number of pages. You can also see the pages. You can see the pages published, the pages viewed. So for now, it's still all 0 because we just built the website. But here you go, guys. This is it. So let's look at our website. So we'll go to our URL and just click on it. And here we go. This is our website. This is our website. Everything is looking, it's popping, like popping. So that's the home page. Let's go to the about page, and that's it. That is it. This is your personal website built for you. You built it yourself. You saved yourself 250k. You saved yourself 250k and more, not just 250k, 250k and more. You know, so yeah, contact page 2 is up. So let's just try. So the icon on the upper part of the website is also there. Okay, so let's go to the footer and see. Yeah, everything is on. So let's just see if this icon works. Oh, it works. It works. It works. It works. I'm so excited. Yeah, so it works. So that's it, guys. Your website built by you. That's it. So guys, there you have it. You can now build your personal website yourself. Like, you can now be fly. I have a website. So if there's any part of this process that you do not understand, please write it in the comment section below. If you've used GetResponse before and you would like to also share your ideas, please put it in the comment section below. If you would like me to help you or guide you on a process that I have missed, you can send me a direct message and I will be happy to reach out to you. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.